Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can move an emoji using your face at TikTok video. So let's say I want to upload this video and I want to make the add emoji and make the emoji move by using the face in the video. So what you need to do is just go to stickers and then click on emoji and then choose your favorite emoji in here. Click on the emoji that you want, then after that place it in the face part like this. Okay, I'm going to wait for the start of the video, the beginning of the video. So you can just long press on the emoji here, then click on pin. Then after that you can just move forward the circles right here or follow move the stickers where the face move like this. Just follow it along like that. Until the end of the clips. Now it's done. Click on pin and just wait until the pinning process is finished. Okay, so now the emoji is moved by using the face like this. Okay, so that's all from me guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.